Okay, so this last video, this little sub-series, is what we're going to do is we're going to be first dividing through by the denominator, because it's just a singular denominator, so what we can do is we can divide through by it and then just differentiate these functions as a linear combination instead of having to do any of our specific rules. So let's have a look at the number 1, a, in this case. So our a is that we want to differentiate 4 minus 5x over x squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to go divide through by x squared. So we're going to get 4 over, actually I'm going to write it like this. I'm going to write y is equal to 4 over x squared minus 5x over x squared. So that is 4 over x squared minus 5 over x. Okay? And rewriting this again is just 4x to negative 2 minus 5x to negative 1. Now to differentiate this, dy dx, okay, I'm going to use the rule from before. So take the power down to the front, so I'm going to get negative 2 times 4x to the power of negative 3 minus, and it's going to become plus, or actually I'm just going to leave that as it is for now, so minus 1 times, I should put that in brackets really, minus 2 times that, minus 1 times 5 x to the negative 2, okay? So putting these together, we're going to get minus 8x to the negative 3 plus 5x to the negative 2, which means that dy dx is equal to negative 8 on x cubed plus 5 on x squared, like that. And that's our derivative there. So that's part A. Let's do part B over the side here. Okay, so we've got y is equal to 7 plus 5x minus 3x cubed over x squared. So we're going to do the same thing again, where we're going to break this one up. So it's going to be y is equal to 7 over x squared plus 5x over x squared minus 3x cubed over x squared. So y is equal to, I'm just going to rewrite it as 7x minus 2 plus x divided by x squared is x to the power of negative 1, so it's going to be 5x to the negative 1 minus 3x cubed divided by x squared is just 3x. Okay, so dy dx then is just equal to the sum of all the derivatives of each of these. So we're going to get minus 14x to the negative 3 minus 5x to the negative 2 minus 3. So dy dx is equal to minus 14 over x cubed minus 5 over x squared minus 3. And that's the derivative there. Okay, so that's going to end the derivative of negative numbers or negative indices. Okay, so pretty straightforward, just like the others. What we're going to do, however, is we are now going to move on to our next lot of videos, which is about powers with, with fractional indices.